Hi, welcome along. In today's video, we're going to be breaking down a country classic made famous by Miss Shania Twain by the name of Man, I Feel Like a Woman. I'm sure you know it. If you do, stick around because I'm going to be breaking this song down for you in 3, 2, 1. Right, so let's get down to it. The song is in the key of B flat, but the way we're going to achieve that and do all the fancy stuff that we need to do is to place our capo on the first fret, just like this on the first fret. Then what we're going to do, how you play the instantly recognisable riff, is to play your A power chord, and the way we're going to play our A power chord is to hold down strings 4, 3, 2, 1 there on the 3rd fret, and that gives us our A power chord. We're not going to play string number 1, so sort of stop before you get there. So we're going to play strings 5, 4, 3, 2 at a push if you overrun yourself. But it is, 5, 4, 3 mostly. Right, now, the riff. The riff is the thing that goes like this. Let's go, girls. Right, so let's show you how to do that. Right, what we're going to do, we're going to up pick 3 times on string while holding our power chord. We're going to up pick 3 times while holding down strings 3 and 4. So here we go. So it's going to sound like, and then we're going to down pick the 5th fret D string with our 3rd finger. Then we're going to lift that off, leaving us with the 3rd fret of the D string of our 1st finger. So 1 of each, and then 2 up picks again. There we go. So one more time for you. So it's 3 up picks on strings 3 and 4, then a down pick on the D string at the 5th fret, then at the 3rd fret with our 1st finger, and then 2 up picks. Right, okay, so you've got that bit down. Then we're going to move on to the verse. The verse is still in the power chord of A, but we're going to practice the strum pattern first, which is up, down, up, 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 down, up, 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 down, up, up, up. So what we're going to do, we're going to mute the strings like this, so we've got no sound coming out except pure percussion. We're going to go down like this. We're going to go up, down, up, 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 down, up, 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 down, up, 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 down, up, up. Get that rhythm. Up, down, up, 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 down, up, up. Right, now with that in place, we're going to move back to our power chord, and we're going to go like this. I'd like to point out at this stage that we're doing a thing called left hand muting, and what that does is we are not pressing our chords down when we on the downstroke. We are pressing them down when we're doing an upstroke. So what that does is, obviously, if you're not pressing the chord, it's muted. You hear that? But when you press your chord like you know you're supposed to, you get your chord back, right? So on the upstrokes, we're going press, 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 press. That gives us a nice, neat, shortened note. If you don't do that, what you end up with, we end up with a whole rabble. All the notes ring into each other, which may work on some other songs, but this, for the verse of this, we want to keep things nice and short. So on our upstrokes, we're going to press. On our downstrokes, we're going to not press. So on the downstrokes, it'll be muted. On our upstrokes, it'll be played. Right, another riff, another thing I'd like to point out is there's this thing that's on the record, you'll hear it, which is when you lay down your 2nd finger on top of the 4th fret of the top of your E string at the top here. And what it sounds like is this. what you do, you pull it down to bend it, you press and pull down, and then you just let go. So you get it on a down stroke. So down, up, 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 up. Doesn't do it all the time, but every now and again you can hear it on the record. That's how it's done. Right, let's get into the verse. So with that in mind, we're going to be going from the A power chord to a D. So we're going to go A, 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 and then to D, back to A, 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 and down to D, back to A. So you got that bit. That's the verse. Then we got our pre-chorus, which is the same strum pattern. This is the bit that goes best thing about being a woman. So it goes G, 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 G. Then back to A, 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 A. So the best thing about being a woman is G, 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 G. Back to the Y, A, 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 A. Then we've got out and out strumming, unashamedly. We don't have to do that shortened left hand muting stuff for the chorus. The chorus slams down in a nice easy E chord. Oh, 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 and it holds for ages. So follow me on this one. We're going to go E, 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 A, 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 back to E, 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 and A, and then oh, 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 mama dee da, da la la la. Then we got a D minor bar chord. Feel the way I feel, or power chord A, feel, and then stop. Man, I feel like a whatever you feel like. So we got E, 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 E. You got it? Da ba da dee ba ba dee. A, 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 E, 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 da ba da da da. Da ba A and E, 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 D minor then to A. A, I feel like a woman. Got it? Okay, so we'll do that one more time for you. We're going to go E, 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 mama dee dee dee, E, E, and A, and back to E, 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 do da da do da da, oh, 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 da da da, da 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 da, D minor then to A. I feel like a woman. Then back to that riff. And D, A, 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 D, A, G, 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 A, 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 E, 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 oh. To the A, D minor then to A, the B, ba, ba, doo, da. So there we are, man, I feel like a woman. How did you do? I'd love to hear all about it in the comment section below. And also, if you've got any other songs you'd like me to go through, leave suggestions for those in the comments below also. If you liked today's video, can you click like and subscribe for me? I'd be most grateful. And with all that said, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.